Hello guys, it's VinnyFX once again. Yeah, and we wanna go ahead with the continuation of growing these accounts to around 1,000 USD. I said it's a project of around $1,000, and this account barely I made it for just video purposes. And as you can see, I've never withdrew from that day. It was at 34.31. Now we are in the 2 of trading. We double our stake from 0.35 to 0.70. Yeah, and let's see how it will go for the next round. Yeah, until we get around 100 USD. I said for small accounts, you remember this account grew from $0.35 only. That's a minimum actually that you can stake on binary. Yeah, so we're just waiting until we grow this account obviously about $1,000. Yeah, and that will happen live here on my YouTube channel. Yeah, remember guys, you can get this software on my IG at VinnyFX. Yeah, and remember the software comes along with the manual on how to use it. Yeah, and remember I will not be running this discount for a long time. It's just a one-time thing and we are done. So if you wanna grab the software, you can just inbox me. Yeah, it's very cheap, only 50 USD and you are done. 50 or 60 USD and you are done, guys. It's just simple. 50 USD, guys, and you're done. Minimum 50. Yeah, if you come on my IG and you're $50, I give the software. Yep, and the manual as well. So make sure you inbox me on my IG at VinnyFX. Yeah, and just get the software and level up your trading as well. So yeah, and so guys, remember, it doesn't matter how the board or the software is accurate. What you have to do is managing your risk. As you can see, we are using only 0.770 USD, and which is the perfect risk for this account actually. So you can see the 0.70 USD assures you of a profit of around $5, and which is perfect. And I think you can just use a small stake so that you don't blow your account, you don't go on losses. Yeah, so you can, even the market can go unexpected and you end up in losses. So you have to do is just managing your risk. Yeah, 0.7 or 0.35 is a good capital to start with. Yeah, and don't use credit to trade. Don't use some cash that has any purpose or any work to do. Yeah, just use idle money to trade. And I think that eliminates the emotions while trading. Yeah, so remember guys, the giveaway is running still. Remember on December I'll be funding 3 accounts, 1,000 USD each, only 3 accounts. And if you want to get the giveaway, just subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell. Yeah, always comment and follow me on Instagram at VinnyFX and share the video. Only that. Yeah, and you stand a chance to be funded with a whole 100 USD in your account. Yep, so just do that and you have it. So I only offer 4 services for those who are asking. Number 1 is account management, an account that is $200 plus. Yep. Number 2, copy trading, or just link your account with my account, and you get to trade every time I trade, even when you are offline. Number 3 is getting my softwares. Yep, and the last one is the investment, the 50% investment. Yeah, all that you can just inbox me and you inquire for any at my IG at VinnyFX. So use that number down there on your screen, on your left side on your screen. You see a number right there. You can just contact me on WhatsApp and get the software as well as the any contract that you are willing to sign. Yep, and let's make cash. So as you can see, the software is around 78 USD. I want to close $100 profit. So we just run the software until around 100 USD profit, and I think we're done with that. Yep, and there's one There's one guy who had asked a question on the comment section if the software runs on the software, how long will the software run, and how is the durability of this software. I can assure you all my softwares are based on technical analysis. They're not based on indicators. Only one software is based on indicators, and that is the Riseful software that I've added a Bollinger Bands indicator. Only that software is the only software that trades using indicators. All other softwares trade using technical analysis, and that's why all my softwares last long. So I want to answer one question really quick. So this guy who had asked me about the software, if it's durable, I can assure the software is durable. As I said earlier, all my software trades using technical analysis, and by technical analysis I mean you can just trade and just follows the market condition. And that's it. And I think we'll end our video at that point. I've just answered that question. The other question was about making a software live, how to code a software. I'll just make a video on that. This one by Comedy Arena. So I'll make a video on that. Don't worry about that. I'll just make a video. So just subscribe to the channel and you get notified whenever I drop that video. So guys, that's all it is for today. So until next time, so let's meet on our next video. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share.